Hey you guys, so today I wanted to shoot a quick review of an Amazon wig because you gotta have faith in them. But even myself, I get nervous getting a wig because it can be a hit or a miss, especially a lace front. I'm really picky with wigs and what I put in my hair. It has to look natural. If it doesn't look like it's coming straight from my scalp, I do not want it in my head. So today I'm taking this fresh out of the package. I haven't opened it. I got the Reshow Beauty pre-cut lace glueless wig, wear and go, human hair, deep wave wig, 28-inch, 180% density lace front glueless wig, human hair, pre-plucked, 5x5 closure wig, human hair for women. And I got it in natural black. So we're gonna see just how it looks out the box before I even try it on, before I put my cornrows and everything. We're just gonna first, what does it look like? How does it feel? It says wear and go, so I shouldn't have to do much to it. We opening it, we taking it out. Okay, so this is the package looks like. Comes with a little wig cap. Then the wig's behind it. Let's see some more. Okay, it has a little band. I guess if I do want to glue it down, even though it should be wear and go, so we're gonna see. It says 28-inch. So far so good. I mean, it's in the bag, but let's see. So definitely got some. I ain't mad at this. I ain't mad at the movement. Ooh, okay. I do like it. It is bleached. There's like a little brown in it. A little bounce to it. I always like a little loose wave. Oh, I love a loose wave. It's just like the ocean, baby. If my hair don't move with me when I do this, I don't want it. I don't want it. Okay, this is the band. I guess I got strapped in. We're gonna see how that holds up when I put it on. But if I end up doing anything, I probably will cut the lace in the front some more. Just like the little, cause it's a little like bumpy edges. I don't know if I like that. You see how it like bumps a little bit right here? It's like bump, bump. Yeah, I'm gonna probably cut those off to make it closer to the lace and then bleach it with, not bleach it, put some makeup on the lace. And then, it is pre-bleached, which is really nice. So I'm not mad at that. Man, I wish you could see. Yeah, you can see, pre-bleached. So that's nice. Okay, first impressions, I'm excited. Okay, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna cornrow my hair. You guys don't need to see that, it's just putting your hair in cornrow. I don't wanna do nothing yet, but I'm excited. Okay, it's gonna be cute. Okay, so first impression, I'm happy with it. I'm back, I have my hair in cornrows, don't judge, it ain't perfect. Cornrows, and then I just braid it in the back. Okay, so now we can do this wig cap. Okay, so they gave me the beige wig cap, which I heard a long time ago. I used to use the brown ones, and I heard the beige is actually better. I guess because it's more like scalp complexion. Okay, got the wig cap on. I like to do makeup on the wig cap and on the wig, so I'm gonna just do a little bit. Or not a little bit, however much it takes, okay? Okay, I don't have a mirror, so I'm using the camera as a mirror. And it's not the best. So I have the unit here. I'm gonna put some makeup on the inside of it as well. Where the lace meets the forehead, baby. I'm no expert, so if y'all got a better way of doing this, please leave a comment. But this is before I cut it. I'm not cutting it yet. Because I'm gonna see how it turns out without cutting. Gotta take a look. I'm just gonna go a little bit. So next I'm gonna adjust the strap and then try it on. I'm nervous. I'll make it tight. I want it as tight as possible. You do not want your wig to slip. A slipping wig ain't cute. Oh, that may be too tight. Okay. Tightened it to the. I'm gonna put this one on the same one. I'm just gonna follow. Okay, now it looks like my bands are really tight, so I'm actually loosening it. Let's see. My strap feels nice. This is not being styled yet. So right now I can see the lace on me. Lay it flat. Okay, and this lighting, it's cute though. I'm gonna cut the lace some more for sure. I'm gonna cut the lace, I'm gonna lay edges and see what it does. See if it makes it good. And maybe I'm gonna try to put my concealer on. So I'm gonna come back, I'm going to cut the lace some more. I'm gonna lay some edges in the front and see if that, you know, makes it a little bit better with hiding this lace. But I still like the wig. It's cute, it's soft, it feels great. Yeah, I like it, honestly. I'm gonna see if I can hide this lace better, but other than that, like, I'm rating it well. And it feels good, it's comfortable. So right now I'll give it like a B-. I'm very picky, so if I can hide this lace better with the edges and some more concealer instead of the powder makeup, then we'll see. Update, so I went upstairs and I put some more concealer on it, and I decided to, I had some Got2b glue. So I decided to glue it down a little bit. I just do not like any lace showing. And then after that, I may do some edges as well, which I'm not the best at, but just a little something, something. Yeah, I think that will help too. Yeah, we're gonna wait, and then I'm gonna show you guys the results of just me simply just melting this wear and go wig, even though it's not go. Unless I was wearing a hat, cause your girl can't do it. Back for the final results. I got my do-rag out because I wanted to make sure this was, you know, pressed, melted, whatever it had to be. So we're gonna do a little reveal. Of course I have another one, but right here you can see the edge, or not the edges, the little scalp. I got to lay down flat without heat. I just put mousse and then put a scarf on for like 30 minutes. Okay, let's see how these edges came out. I don't be doing edges, but, and we got this studio box lighting, so it's gonna show everything. Oh, I be putting that way too tight. The moment of reveal. Is it good? Okay. Okay. Amen. Okay, so this wig isn't totally wear and go because as is, I didn't want to wear it as is because you can see that lace. I didn't have to do as much as I would normally have to do to a normal lace front wig, so I'm not mad at it. It's really only this part that's lace, the rest is just wig, so that's what makes it easy. I'm happy. I didn't even really put too much mousse on it, only at the top. I would buy this wig again. I'm not mad at it. Like I said, you do have to do a little prep, and if you're dark skinned, because I'm sorry, that lace is too light. I would give this wig I'll give it an A. I like it. I would buy it again. The hair's soft, it's flowing, it's bouncing, and I was able to hide the lace a little bit. I don't know, I gotta see up close, but at least in this camera, it don't look bad. I'll get it again. Okay, Amazon wigs.